In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images by Metafields in Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to connect custom images to your products and display them dynamically on your online store without needing any code. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the lower left corner of the screen, you'll see the settings option. Click on that to open your store's main settings area. This is where Shopify keeps all the configuration tools that work behind the scenes of your store. Inside settings, look at the left-hand panel and find the section labeled Metafields and Meta Objects. Click on it. Here, Shopify lets you attach extra information, or metafields, to different parts of your store. Choose where you want to store this image metafield. You can attach it to products, collections, or pages. For this walkthrough, we'll choose products. Once you're in the product metafields area, click the Add Definition button near the top right. This is where you create the new type of data you want to store. Give your metafield a clear name, such as custom image, so you'll recognize it later when you're building your theme. Under Type, open the dropdown and choose Image File. This tells Shopify that this metafield will hold an image rather than text or a number. When you're done, click. Save at the top of the screen near the search bar. Now go back to your main admin dashboard. From the left-hand panel, click Products. Then choose a product where you want to add this metafield image. Inside the product page, scroll down until you see the Product Metafield section. From the list, find the metafield you just created, called Custom Image. Click the text box beside it, then in the pop-up, choose Select Image. Pick the image you want to use from your library or upload a new one. When you've selected your image, click Done at the bottom right of the pop-up. Don't forget to click Save for the product at the top of the page so your changes are stored. Next, look again at the left-hand panel and click Online Store. On your current theme, click Edit. This opens the theme editor where you control what your storefront looks like. At the top of the editor, you'll see a page selector, usually set to Homepage by default. Click it, choose products from the drop-down, then select a specific product template or product page. This lets you preview how your metafield image will appear on an actual product page. On the left-hand side of the editor, click Add Section. From the list, choose any section that supports an image, such as image with text, image banner, or a slideshow, depending on your design needs. After adding the section, click on it to open its settings. In the section settings on the left, find the area where you would normally upload an image. Instead of uploading, click the dynamic source icon next to the image field. From the options that appear, choose the custom image metafield you created earlier. This links that section's image to the metafield on each product, so it can change automatically based on the product you're viewing. Look at the live preview on the right side of the screen. You should now see the image you selected for that product appear in the section. If everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner. You've now successfully created an image metafield, assigned an image to a product, and connected that metafield to your theme so it displays dynamically on your product pages.